This is question 12 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2016 afternoon session. The relationship between the specific gravity of sand and the hydraulic gradient to initiate quick condition in the sand layer having porosity of 30% is. So, in this question it is asking about the relationship between the specific gravity of sand and the hydraulic gradient to initiate the quick sand condition, and the porosity of that sand layer is given as 30%. So, this question is from the topic of quick sand condition. You may study about this topic in detail in lecture 19 Effective Stress Soil Mechanics Geotechnical Engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Baid, IIT Kharagpur. So, quick sand condition is a flow condition occurring within a cohesionless soil when its effective stress is reduced to 0 due to upward flow of water. So, for upward flow of water in the soil, the effective stress at any depth z is given as given by this equation, which is sigma z dash is equal to z gamma sub minus I gamma w into z. Here the first term z gamma sub is the pressure of the submerged soil and it is acting downward, and the second term I gamma wz is the seepage pressure which acts in the upward direction. When this both the terms becomes equal, then the effective stress becomes 0. So, for this condition we may write this hydraulic gradient as critical hydraulic gradient. So, if we further solve this equation, so we can write the critical hydraulic gradient as G minus 1 by 1 plus E, where G is the specific gravity of the soil and E is the void ratio of that soil. So, here in this question we need to establish the relationship between G and I, and the porosity is given as 30%. So, here first we need to find the value E, that is void ratio. So, E can be find as this equation E is equal to N by 1 minus N. So, here the N value, that is porosity value, is given as 30%, that is 0.3 divided by 1 minus 0.3. So, this will be 0.3 by 0.7, which is equal to 0.43. Now, coming to this formula for critical hydraulic gradient, IC is equal to G minus 1 by 1 plus E. So, here in this question, this critical hydraulic gradient, this hydraulic gradient I is equal to G, specific gravity G minus 1 by 1 plus E. So, E just we have calculated 0.43. So, we can write this equation as I is equal to G minus 1 by 1.43. For this equation can be written as 1.43 is equal to G minus 1. So, if we rearrange this equation, we can write this will be I. So, we can write this equation as G is equal to 1.43 I plus 1. Now, coming to this option. So, here we can see the correct option is given in option number C, which is G is equal to 1.43 I plus 1. So, this is the relationship between G and I to initiate the quick sand condition if the porosity of that sand layer is 30%. So, here for this question option C is the correct option. Thank you.